to that country. Political inclusion is also critical. Pastoralist communities remain vastly underrepresented in government and social media. Their voices must be heard at local, state, and national level. Advisory council, civic education, and access to education complete this gap. Education, healthcare, social services, mobile radio-based education, mobile and reduce isolation. Finally, peace and reconciliation must be actively promoted. A national orientation campaign should be launched to correct misinformation, humanize all communities, and celebrate our shared destiny as Nigerians. In conclusion, the urgency of peace. Nigeria is at a defining moment. The highness of farmers' conflict is unresolved, poses a great threat to our economy, social fabric, and national security. Yet, with this crisis lies a powerful opportunity to build a new model of coexistence. Justice, equity, and mutual respect. We must move beyond blame and become fast. We must listen to one another, plan together, and act in unity. Farmers and herders are very integral to Nigerian future. When there is relationship, when the relationship is managed with fairness, foresight, they can become farms and food security and social harmony. Let us all rise up. Let us reject hate, politicization, and exclusion. Let us choose peace and not just as absence of war, but a solution and sustainable. A peaceful Nigeria is within reach if we have a product of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu in ensuring that livestock there is peace between communities. We have can be harmonized. Together we can build peace. Together we can deliver justice. Together Nigeria can grow. We believe in unity. We believe in this country, and we strongly believe in the leadership of Ashibalo Bola Ahmed Tinubu to deliver justice. Every Nigerian, every